Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kindly consider subscribing if you have not. Click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your terminal such that it appears to have a custom text on the top every time you open it. Without much ado, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using VMware Workstation as my hypervisor and Braca Linux as my guest OS. So basically, whatever we do here should work in any operating system. So the packages we're going to use are Figret and Toilet, and we'll do this by editing the bash lc file. So the first thing we need to do is open our terminal. So as you can see, there's no text that appears here, so we are going to edit our .bash lc file. So we need to look for it. So basically it should be found within your root folder. So as you can see, I'm not root, so basically I'm in my root folder. So when I do this, I should do -LA to display all the files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter out any bash lc file. So, and as you can see, here it is. So we're going to use a package called Figret, and the other one is called Toilet. So if it is not available, you can easily install them. Like I'm using Arch, so in Arch I have to be root. Then you can do pacman. I'm going to assume you're running Debian, so we're going to do an apt install, maybe Figret, or maybe Toilet. So Braca comes with the packages already installed, so this is how you use them. So you have Figret, so let us first look at it. And Figret, there is K. So if there is no manual pages, then what we're going to do is I'm going to do Figret tag help and see what it requires. So it requires a lot of them, but what we're going to do is we're going to pipe the output of an echo command. I'm going to use netsprite. We're going to pipe that into Figret. So as you can see, so that is the text that we would like to appear in our terminal. We also have another package, Toilet. So let me cancel that. Toilet and tag help. So it requires a lot of parameters, but in the same case we're going to pipe the output of the echo command to Toilet. As you can see, there it is. We can also do some tweaks. We add the guy, the tag guy, so that one makes the text appear to have different colors. So the terminal is very wide, so I have some custom command. So to reduce the size of, so I'm using the xrand, so that is the custom command I'm using. So let us edit the .bash rc file. So I'm going to do .bash rc, there it is, and at the bottom of it add the text to appear. So we said we're going to echo route, not record, but pipe in the output of an echo command. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to echo. So what we're going to echo is netsprite, and we're going to pipe that into the Toilet, and we need the text to be colored. So Ctrl A, enter Ctrl X. So we're going to do to see if that is working. So cross this, open another terminal, and as you can see, everything is done. So no matter the terminal we open, it will always have that. So thank you very much for watching. Kindly consider subscribing, share the channel link